Today, Texans are facing levels of anxiety, depression, and substance use we have not seen before. And in many cases, using drugs like fentanyl, even unknowingly, can be fatal, even the very first time. These aren't distant problems. They're impacting families, communities, and workplaces every day right here in Texas. What we're seeing is a growing gap, not just in awareness, but in understanding. Many people are struggling to navigate stress, relationships, and pressure in a healthy way. And too often, conversations about substance use and mental health happen too late, after a crisis has already happened. But the reality is, prevention works, but it requires intentional investment and the right approach. At Phoenix House, Texas, we focus on positive prevention, equipping individuals with the skills to build resilience, communicate effectively, and make healthy decisions. Our innovative initiative, Project Empathy, is designed to build understanding around addiction and mental health challenges, strengthen communication, and help team members better understand and support one another. For organizations, that translates into stronger culture, more engaged employees, and a workforce that's better equipped to handle stress, both on and off the job. And for many companies, it's also a meaningful way to invest in the well-being of their employees, families, and the broader community. To build a more resilient, connected, and effective workplace, partner with Phoenix House, Texas today.